Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. I never had any of the previous Mi Bands before, so in terms of comparison I can't really compare it, but I do know for a fact that they have improved the display with this AMOLED display, full colour AMOLED touch display, and you can pick this up on banggood.com for £40 at the moment. So it's a cheaper alternative to the Galaxy Fit that I've reviewed recently, and there's quite a lot of similarities. You get the box, you get the band, you also get the Mi Band 4 itself, which comes out of the band, an instruction manual and a device to charge it. Now the device charger works, obviously it does work well, but the only criticism I have is how small the cable is. So when you're charging it from maybe a plug point, a block, it'll just dangle down unless you've got somewhere to rest the device on. The Mi Band 4 is fully waterproof. Unfortunately, you cannot operate it underwater, but this does mean you can go swimming with this, and it does have a swimming workout function within the menu on the Band 4. And obviously pulling it out of the water, you're going to have to wipe the screen and wipe your hands before you start to operate it again, but it is fully waterproof. So the Mi Band 4 uses the latest Bluetooth 5 technology. It has 135 milliamps of battery, and on the display here at the top there is a battery indicator. If you jump over to the app, it also tells you exactly how much battery you have left. Now I've been using this since Monday and it's Sunday now, so it's 7 whole days. It says online you can get up to 20 days use, just over 50% after 7 days. So at the rate I'm working at, it'll probably last me around 14 days, which is still pretty good. Now if you do look closely, you can see the display there. This different angle. Obviously you have the frame, narrow frames at the edge, but I thought the display could be a little bit longer, maybe lower down near the touch sensitive button there at the bottom. I think the display is a little small. It could definitely be longer. Now talking about the display, there are loads and loads of displays within the app on the Mi Fit. Jump over to the app, then click Band Display Settings. Within there's loads of displays. Just pick the one you like. Some of them will have different information, calories, heart rate, a mixture of other results and calculations as well, and obviously different graphics. Just pick the one you want, sync watch face, and then that will download to your device. It can take around a minute or two depending on how your internet connection is and how fast it downloads the actual watch face, but it's very, very customizable. So the Mi Band 4 also has the ability to control your music on your mobile phone. You can skip left and right, adjust the volume and pause as well. And that works well and works quite instantly as well. So if you're on the move with earphones in as well, it is a great little feature. So within the menu you have status, you do have heart rate. Heart rate is accurate. I have measured my own heart rate the manual way and compared it to the Mi Band 4. There might be the odd couple of BPMs out, but on the whole it's pretty accurate. You now have plenty of different workouts like running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and now pool swimming with it being waterproof. So you also have a weather widget. So this will tell you the weather on the day and the forecast for the next few days as well if you scroll down. So the device has notifications. Notification will ping to the device will vibrate. You can read the message briefly. Unfortunately, you can't reply, but you can read it and clear it. You then have more settings. Yes, you have DND, do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch timer, find device, silent, band display, and settings. And within settings you have the brightness, lock screen, reboot, factory reset, regulatory, and about. There is the ability to find your band if you misplace your band somewhere. If you go over to the app, find device. The only problem with this is that you have to keep pressing it. So if you press it once, it will vibrate, but you have to then keep pressing it. On the Galaxy Fit, you pressed it on the app and the device would vibrate until you found it, and you'd have to scroll up to cancel it. On the Band 4 app, you have to keep pressing on the application, find device, every time to make it vibrate. Okay, so within the Mi Fit app, you have the ability to track sleep, heart rate, and activities. If you click into here and check the sleep data. So the other night, it gives you a score as well on how well you slept, and a total of hours, and if it's light or deep sleep as well. After it's built up a lot of data over the days and gets to know how you are and what you do. It says you fell asleep as usual, woke up 1 hour 10 minutes late, 1 hour 16 minutes added to total sleep, and 52 minutes added to deep sleep. That was a weekend sleep, obviously, because I had a little bit of a lie-in. And I think the accuracy of the sleeping data was good as well. So steps, it's exactly the same as well, really. 2,694 steps. Yesterday, not a great deal of walking, but they got daily average. Average is up. Day before, 4,384. And it splits it into little activities as well there. So, great little app. Now, the only issue I did have with this is the heart rate data. Going to heart rate. It only measured the manual heart rates that I clicked on my device. So if I manually requested a heart rate reading, it would read it and then it would send it to this application. So 2 on that day, 2 on that day. Oh, none on that day, I didn't measure it. 3 on that day. That was the second day. Okay, so I've just done a factory reset of the phone and reset the application as well, and it's now reading. So whatever I did in the first place setting up didn't work. This time around, it has started recording my heart rates. At the bottom there, highest is 100, minimum 56, and average heart rate 78 BPM. There's a continuous heart rate zone there, 56 minutes relaxed, 2 minutes light heart rate. Cool. So the band has a 6G sensor built in, so when you do lift your arm up and twist your arm around to look at the device, it will wake up. And you can also set this within the settings on the application within there as well. You can also schedule a time when you don't want it to work. So at night, you want that to end at 10:30, well I did anyway. And you can also adjust the sensitivity. So I've put it to sensitive. So that is the Mi Band 4, guys. You can pick this up on Banggood. Links are in the description below. So cool little band, waterproof, comfortable on the wrist as well. Some days you don't even realise it's there. A really lovely AMOLED display with good brightness and great for viewing outdoors as well. Really good battery life, up to 2 weeks, I believe, the way I use it. Ability to control music as well from the band. I think for around £40, it's a pretty damn good fit band. So that's it, guys. Any questions, please comment below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.